Hello po, kapag po ba maraming sakay si Veloz V, mahinang humatak o mas bumababa dahil sa bigat? Please help. Expander Cross or Veloz V po kasi choices. So sige, May, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, sagutin natin. So, Veloz V, mahina nga ba talaga? Or underpowered? Or low ground clearance? Yan yung isa sa mga sinasabi nilang cons or hindi maganda kay Toyota Veloz. And I can't blame them, especially those who haven't tried driving or owning or even bringing this car with 7 people or loaded, kumbaga. But that's what I'm here for. Thankfully, we were able to bring this car with, yun nga, loaded on a very long trip with my family, extended pa. Then marami pang mga gamit, mga like rice, tubig, ganon. So the short answer to that is sufficient talaga si Veloz for that kind of needs. But just to let you know, we were able to document it. I made a vlog about it on my channel. Search nyo lang yung name natin sa YouTube with Veloz Long Ride, or just check it out on my Toyota Veloz ownership playlist. So sana nakatulong, follow for more.